PermaTimber end caps are available if you decide not to use the PermaTimber finishing board. These are to be inserted into the end of each PermaTimber decking board. For added security of the end caps, Permacomposites suggests to also use a construction adhesive to securely hold caps in. Apply the adhesive to the core of the deck rather than to the end cap. This will give the deck a clean and solid finish. Congratulations, you're done! We hope you love your new PermaTimber deck. Now you can kick back, relax and enjoy that barbecue.